As I told you in my last video that I am trying to get fitter, and I started exercising and running a bit, and today we are going to talk about my journey. So I started my day with a lot of motivation, and soon I realized that I had developed very bad habits during my pregnancy and all motherhood. So after a long time I started my day with sugar free chai. So I decided that I will do my fitness journey very properly. Now I will start documenting everything. So this is the first video in the that series, and for review of today, um, I woke up and I was very tired because I could not sleep properly at night. I don't know why I was feeling very warm. So I didn't had much power to run. So today I just walked. I walked for 45 minutes, and it was a relaxing experience because I was listening to the Indian songs, and I liked it very much. So that's all for today. So here is the overview of my running. I run for about 47 minutes, and I run for 4 kilometer. Breakfast I have a typical MP breakfast, that is poha, and I also uploaded the recipe of red rice poha in my channel. Then in lunch I took dal chawal and 1 cup chai. Don't ask me why, but as I told you before in this video that I was feeling very down, so maybe it was the reason. And then I had banana, popcorn, and peanuts as the snacks. And what I do is I maintain a food diary, but right now I'm not so sincere about it. But at the end of this day, you are going to see the overview of my food diary. I use the app called MyFitnessPal, and it calculates your daily caloric needs, and also tell you that depending upon how much calorie difference you had, how much weight you are going to lose. So it gives a good overview. On second day of my journey, let's take a look. What did I do? Again, I started my day with tea. So and then I went for running. And usually this tea is very difficult to drink in the morning because I'm very busy. I get my daughter ready for her kindergarten, and I go for a walk or a run, and this time is truly for myself. I really love having this me time. So I'm finally done with today's workout, and it was about 5.35 kilometers, and it was okay. I really enjoyed it very much, and at first I didn't want it to come, but really I look forward to this thing. So it is a very funny experience, and yeah. Today I thought that I will tell you that why I like jogging very much. So workout is very important because of workout you feel good, you look good, and you see so much blood circulation is going on, and that gives a very amazing glow to your skin. So if you are a lady and you want to look gorgeous like me, then you should always work out in the morning. Just for a few minutes are sufficient because it will boost your heart rate, and your blood circulation will be good. Now I run for 5.35 kilometer, and I burned about 331 calorie, and then I enjoyed my day very nicely. I had half of the pretzel, which is a typical German bread, in the breakfast, and then I had banana. And I think from now on I did not do so much food diary management, but it's okay. Overall I can see that I started opting for better choices, and even better. Right now what I make is, in the evening I make some soup, and I make salads also in afternoon. So overall I feel good that I am eating healthy, and sometimes I go and eat some chocolates like in this case, but since you already burn some calories, it's not that bad. So you can enjoy, and that is also another reason of working out. You can enjoy your favorite food if you like. And then here is a thali that I made, and here is the overview of my food diary. And you see I had 786 calories to spare. Then week 3 started with no workout, and I had some pommes which was made in air fryer, and particularly my daughter loved it so much. Then I enjoyed some chocolate and Laugenbrötchen, and there are so many other things that I enjoyed. Normally, when my husband and daughter is at home, usually I do a break for my workouts, and then after a break, it's very difficult to start the working out again. So then on the other day, I could only go for a run, and I did 4 kilometer run, and then I started making salads at home, and here is my vlog. So today is Tuesday, and it's been a rough 3 4 days for my diet and exercise. But again, we have to come to the track, and I'm back here again, and I will try to do my best. Yesterday, I ate so many things that I don't want to mention. In fact, that includes a whole pack of like 3 4 mini cookies, mini chocolate chip cookies. But they were delicious, and I am feeling a bit of guilty. But this guilty is normal, and it happens to you. So you should not think much about it. And all we have to do is to get back on the track again. Nobody want to forget the taste of tasty food. So if you sometimes do binge eating but you work out, then you can easily burn the calories. And but as I said, that it should be sometime, not always. Another thing that we learn from this run is that even if you run for 5 kilometer or so, then also you are going to burn only 300 or something calories. So you should eat accordingly, and like any meal that is more than 300 calorie, and you can be sure that you cannot burn it. So I'm done with my running, and it took about 50 minutes, and I ran for 5 kilometers. And at first I didn't wanted to do it, but as always, maybe it is so repetitive in my video that I will say that at first I didn't wanted to do it, and then I did it finally. So it's also a very great satisfaction, because I would say that I'm feeling warm, I'm feeling so much sweaty, but I'm not feeling tired. I really find that workout gave me a lot of energy. So that's the reason why I work out. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow with a new workout. Then for lunch I made this tortilla wrap, and it was very tasty and very fulfilling. So and then my other run started. Hello everyone, how are you? Good morning. Today I'm here for a run, and I'm feeling very motivated and energetic. So let's see how my run will go. So again I ran for 5 kilometer, and I burned about 311 calories. It took about 15 minutes. The end of my run, I shoot another workout about the overview and everything. So today's workout is done, and I again run for 5 kilometer, and yeah, I'm feeling good. So far I don't feel any muscle carter or muscle pain after running, but that's a good thing, you know. And yeah, so today in the morning I read a post from a housewife. She was saying that she was not feeling confident enough on herself, because after the birth of her child, she didn't had any time for herself, and that's why she can't lose the weight that she gained during childbirth or so. So That's my story too, and I can totally feel you. And if you are in the same situation, then I suggest you that you start waking up in the morning and do make time for yourself. Even when children are under 1 years old, then they cannot stay with anybody else, I think. But after that, for an hour or so, anybody from your family can take care of the child, or they can start going to kita or daycare or so, and then you can have some time for yourself, because investing on yourself is very important. Otherwise you will feel very exhausted, and you don't have, like as this woman said, that she doesn't have time for herself, and she doesn't feel confident on herself. So at the end of this process, you will lose yourself. So I don't want you to be like that. And I also understand this thing very late, but I can totally understand the women who are going through this process. And I'm with you, and I'm confident on you. And losing weight is not a very difficult thing. It happens when you start enjoying yourself. So it's all about first your loving yourself. And that's why keep loving yourself. Investing time on yourself is very important. So keep doing all that, and I know you are going to do this. So that's all for today. So from this day I started using different kind of grains like quinoa and amaranth, and I made a salad out of it, and wrapped in a wrap, and it was really very tasty. And this is something that I didn't do for a long time, and now I regret about it. Then I enjoyed this food very much. And a bit of feta on everything tastes really nice. Like if you roast some almonds and put feta in your feta cheese in your salads, it's heavenly. Hello everyone, so I'm back again, and you can see from my face that I'm feeling very good. And for me, today is the perfect day for workout. So let's get started. So I am done with this workout too. I run for about 52 minutes, and again for 5 kilometers approximately. And I'm feeling really well. I told you because that today is the best day to work out, because it's not so cold but it is sunny. And this workout was very refreshing, and I liked it so much, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow's workout. Last night I slept well, and everything went so perfect. I like it very much. So we will meet again tomorrow, or today I will complete and edit this video, and I will upload it on YouTube. And then from tomorrow I will start for the next week. Okay, bye bye. So again I'll run for 54 minutes and for 5 kilometer, and burn about 310 calories. And so finally, after so many days, I could start my running again. And I was talking on phone. That's why I was in autopilot mode, and I walked for a brisk walk for 2 kilometers. And now I will continue my running. But all in all, it was good. I find this weather very beautiful, because it is cold and I don't feel sweaty and tired. So that's the best thing. Another thing I wanted to mention is, when I don't exercise, I cannot sleep nicely. So, and for me right now, I think exercising is very important. So my friends, today I'm done with my walking / jogging. And I tried to quit twice, but as I told you, I'm not a quitter, so I didn't quit. I have this thought and I just brush it away. And now I'm going back to home, and I will be ready, and I will be back to my routine. Tomorrow I don't know whether I will be coming here for running, but only future will come to know, will tell you that what I am going to do tomorrow. So we will meet again. Bye bye. So I completed 5 kilometer in 1 hour and it was too much time for me, and I burned only 294 calories, and I was not satisfied with that. In my opinion, for my time and everything, running is the better option than brisk walking. Hello everyone, I'm back again. It's the day 2, and I'm here. It's 8:43 a.m. and I will start my running for today. Last night I slept good, and everything was perfect today's morning. So, and I am going to jog today, and I hope I am going to enjoy it very much. So boom, I'm done with the workout today, and it was good. And at the same time, I saw all three phases of the weather. It was cold and dark in the morning, and then it was a bit of raining, and now just before shooting this, it was sunny, and again it became cold and dark. So but anyways, nothing happened. And at first when I came here, in my first workout, you might remember that I saw a police arresting a man, and I had the impression that this place is not safe. But today this thing is gone, because I saw that here are ladies who come in the morning for workouts, and one of them is my neighbor. So yeah, it's not that bad. It depends, maybe it was the wrong time and wrong place. But anyways, I'm done, I'm satisfied. I completed this run, which was 5 kilometer, in 55 minutes or so, a bit less than 55 minutes, and I'm not feeling tired, I'm feeling very good. So all in all, today was awesome. We will meet again during my next workout. Bye bye. So again, I completed 5 kilometers in 56 minutes, and I burned 305 calories. At the end of all this, I measured my weight, and I would like to say that I lost some weight, and I feel very good because I am energetic. I can sleep very well in the night, and my mood is always very fresh and nice. I think that this is the best thing that you can do for your body. So that's all for today, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and if possible, please share with your friends and family. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bis später.